Welcome back, folks. You could win $1 million if you answered this question. What country is home to the world's highest waterfall? If you said Venezuela, you were absolutely right. I was only joking about the $1 million, but you can still give yourself a pat on the back. Well, today you're visiting that waterfall on your trip to Venezuela. I'll meet you when you're back. Enjoy! Venezuela is a country in South America with a northern coast along the Caribbean Sea. In the west, you can find the Andes Mountains, and in the southeast, you have the Guyana Highlands. Some of the Guyana Highlands stretch into Guyana. Venezuela is trying to claim all of the Guyana Highlands. In the northwest, you'll see the Maracaibo lowlands, which surround the Lago de Maracaibo. That's Spanish for Lake Maracaibo. Speaking of waterways, the Orinoco River system divides the northwest from the southeast in Venezuela. It is also very rich in oil, which it exports for most of its money. Its form of money or currency is the bolivar, named after Simon Bolivar, who freed many South American countries from the Spanish. The people of Venezuela have been speaking Spanish and practicing Roman Catholicism ever since Spain invaded. The majority of the people in Venezuela are mestizo, which means that they are a racial mix between natives and Spanish settlers. Most of the people in Venezuela live along the northern coast, including the residents of Caracas, the capital. Let's take a look at the Maracaibo lowlands, which consist of the great cities of Barquisimeto and Maracaibo. Lake Maracaibo separates the Andes Mountains into two ranges. While enjoying cooler temperatures near the Andes, you can enjoy the rest of Venezuela's tropical climate near the lake. Let's go to the Llanos. From there, we'll take a trip down the Orinoco to Angel Falls. The Llanos is a savanna. It contains several different species of birds. Now, we are starting on a tributary of the Orinoco River. It will only be a matter of time until we reach the heart of the river system. Ah, here it is. You may not know this, but we are sailing where Columbus may have been in 1498. Now we just need to pass a couple more tributaries to get to our destination, Angel Falls. Here we are. Now the waterfall is falling from a mountain called Ayuantepui. Ah, we meet again. So, how was your trip? Let's recap. Venezuela is a South American country with a northern coast along the Caribbean Sea. Its people speak Spanish and practice Roman Catholicism. It is home to Angel Falls, the world's highest waterfall, which is located on the tributary of the Orinoco River. It consists of the Guyana Highlands and the Llanos Plateau. In the Maracaibo lowlands that surround Lake Maracaibo, you can see the major cities of Barquisimeto and Maracaibo. Thank you, and watch again for our next episode on Guyana.